Hello everyone, this is a listening comprehension task. Read the questions in the description box, then listen to the story and try to answer them. The answer key will be at the end of the video. Check the description box again for additional exercises and tasks. Have fun! Pancake Day. Pancake Day in the United Kingdom is also called Shrove Tuesday. It is celebrated in February or March, depending on the date of Easter. Pancake Day is always on the Tuesday before Ash Wednesday and marks the last day before the Christian period of Lent begins. In the past, Lent was a time when people did not eat rich food such as eggs, milk, or sugar. For this reason, people used these ingredients to make pancakes. Pancakes in the UK are usually thin and flat, similar to crêpes. To make traditional British pancakes, people mix flour, eggs, milk, and a little salt. The batter is then poured into a hot frying pan and cooked for a short time on each side. British people often serve pancakes with lemon juice and sugar, but some also like chocolate, fruit, or syrup. On Pancake Day, many families cook and eat pancakes together at home. Schools sometimes organize special activities, and children learn about the history of the day. Some restaurants and cafes also offer pancakes all day long, and it is common to see people talking about their favorite toppings. One funny tradition connected to Pancake Day is the pancake race. In these races, people run while holding a frying pan with a pancake inside. While running, they must flip the pancake in the air without dropping it. Pancake races take place in many towns and villages across the UK, and some of them are more than 100 years old. There are also some interesting and funny facts about Pancake Day. For example, many people fail on their first pancake, which often comes out too thick, too thin, or slightly burnt. Another fun fact is that supermarkets in the UK sell much more eggs and lemons just before Pancake Day. For many people, Pancake Day is not only about food, but also about having fun and spending time together.